Hello and welcome back to another 2-minute tip. Today we're going to be using the edge detection brush to make some selections and masks and then create composite images. We're going to need 2 layers to start this image out. We're going to start out with a background layer. This is going to be our first layer, and it's going to have a palm tree in it, which we're going to mask out. And we're also going to have a different background. And once we've masked that out using the edge detection brush, we're going to paste it on top of and thus into the new photo and the new background. We're going to use this quick selection tool to get things started, and then we're going to go in and refine it a little bit later. So we'll make sure on the background layer, I'm going to go down to the bottom of the trunk, and that's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to try to stay from the inside and moving out. So I'm going to try to stay in the center and the middle. Don't have to worry about getting all the tips. That's what the edge detection brush is going to do for us here in just a moment. And now I'm going to go up here and click Select and Mask. And there's different ways to see this. On white, I think is going to work best for me. And you've already got the right brush here, which is the edge detection brush. And you want to just go ahead and start going around the tips of these palm fronds. And it's a smart tool. It's going to know what to pick and what not to pick. It's really excellent. So just go around all the tips. Don't worry about going too far out. It can kind of tell where it's going to want to pick stuff from. Just go around the tips and the edges. Make sure you get it all. And once I got a little bit more here, I'm done. I'm going to hit OK. Now I've got it selected here. We can see that with the marching ants. So what I want to do is copy this. So I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. Then I am going to turn on my different layer and different background. I'm going to get rid of this selection, get rid of these marching ants. So I'm going to go to Select, Deselect. Now I'm going to select that top layer so it pastes on top. And I'm going to go up to Edit and then Paste. And now I've got a palm tree on top of a different background, and I can take the move tool, move that around a little bit, position it where I want, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see how crisp this edge is. There you have it. This concludes this 2-minute tip on masking using the edge detection brush for composite images. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget we offer classes here at the Lexington Public Library, as well as online classes through our partnership with lynda.com.